What's up guys, it's White Dino, and today we just got the package from Shoppee. What I ordered was a Royal Kludge RK84. It's a, not sure how many percentage keyboard, probably 70 or 75%. I have the arrow keys and the print screen button, so that's all I really need. And I guess that's all I really need, so let's get to the unboxing, guys.
Nope. Nope. Would do, but light seems too kind of bright. I'm gonna lower this.
So yeah guys, that's it for today, and that's the Royal Kludge RK84 unboxing. And I apologize for how I was speaking back there. I was pretty much sick the past few days due to my vaccine. I just got my second dose, felt a bit sick, pretty much got a fever. So yeah, stay tuned for next week as I'll be doing a review on the RK84. And yeah, that's it for today. Peace out.